Hello, today I'm gonna show you how to delete Bigo Live account on your mobile. Don't forget to subscribe and like before we begin. Okay, let's dive in. So first things first, open your Bigo Live and then tap your profile at the bottom right corner. Scroll down until you see help and feedback. And in here at the bottom right corner, tap on your account. And here you'll find Q6 how to delete your Bigo Live account. Tap on that and you will find the button that says I want to delete account. And then just hit next. In here, make sure to read all of this, especially number 2, that all of your virtual properties, such as diamonds and beans, will be invalidated and cannot be restored. And then just hit continue, and make sure to also read this panel right here. And after that, accept the agreement, and then tap delete account. So there you have it. I hope this one helps. See you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.